We're back. So yesterday we were looking into how to basically upload an video and get a screenshot of it, and we did get the screenshot as base64. So now what I have done is I have achieved getting the screenshot as base64 and uploading it to my storage in Supabase, which is basically an S3 bucket. So let me show you that. So this is my code base. Just gonna make this full screen. Okay, so I'm going to just explain what I did yesterday. So yesterday, what I try to do is the video thumbnail generation. I try to do it on the Node.js side. Yesterday we couldn't do it in Node.js in the next API side, because the backend does not have access to Canvas and document. So we couldn't do that yesterday, but then I tried to find ways if we could take screenshots of this on the Next.js side, and I did find some packages like FPPMG, but so this basically, at least they say that it gets the screenshots uh, running video on multimedia streams. But not sure if there's a way, but I wasn't able to uh, get. So what I eventually wanted was a screenshot and a base64 version of base64 version of the image, or screenshot image, so that I could upload that to S3. But I was not able to achieve that using this library. So eventually, what I fell back to was basically let me go using this function to generate the base64 on the front end side, and then I send the base64 as the API body, and so base64 is a huge string, but the API body that I'm sending is of a body part file type. So as far as I've seen, that is the recommended approach to send base64 over any APIs, to basically send it as a file type. So then on the Next.js API side, I get the base64 image. So I get the base64 image as this. And then what I had to do is I had to basically split that string with base64. So in the string, there are basically two parts. The first part says the type of the image, which is like image or PNG or image or JPG. In this case, it's always image.png. So the first part says that, and then there's a base64 text, and after that, you get the base64 itself. So I basically had to split the string based on this base64 text and get the second element in the array, which represents the base64 string. So that is stored in this constant, and then I'm using decode from base64 array buffer. So what this does is it takes the base64 and converts it into an array buffer, and this array buffer can be uploaded in my S3 bucket in Supabase. So doing this, I am able to store the data in my bucket. So this is the data. So once I upload, you get this stored in the bucket. So that is the core POC, like proof of concept of this functionality that I'm trying to do. So the next part is, so in this functionality, there's, I would say, not much of research work to do. The only unknown part was this, how do I get the screenshots? But this is done. After that, it's just adding this in the right location, then adding this do my sequel each individual row for the image. So this particular link should go as the OG image for the video, and then I need to generate blur hash for that image. So once that's done, everything will be over. Then you get a beautiful blur hash for whatever file that I'm uploading. So yep, that is what I'm going to work on today. And yep, let's see how it goes. I'll come to you tomorrow with a new update on this, and hopefully it's almost complete or nearing complete. So that is what I am going to try to do. So yep. So I'm not going to record this in this particular stream session, but yep, I'm going to try to get this done. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.